The French automaker Renault has announced a second price hike on all models this year. This includes the Kwid, Triber, Duster and the recently launched Kiger as well. The new pricing will be effective from April 1, 2021. The company is yet to announce the exact percentage of the price increase for each model. However, the price increase will differ for each model, variant and market region across the country. The first price hike was issued by the brand at the start of this year in January. At the time, the company increased the price of all its model by up to Rs 28,000. This time around, the company is yet to announce the exact amount increase. According to Renault, the prices of the products have been increased due to the rising input costs for manufacturing. This includes the constantly increasing cost of steel, aluminum, and plastics. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic is still very much present in India, which could also pose some challenges to brands in the production of vehicles. However, the company has been providing attractive discounts on most models sold in the Indian market. This month, the company is providing benefits of up to Rs 75,000 depending on the model and its variant. Starting with the brand entry-level offering, the Kwid, the hatchback is the segment best sellers for months now in the Indian market. The Renault Kwid is offered with 2-engine and transmission options. The hatchback retails between 3.12 lakh and Rs 5.31 lakh ex-showroom, Delhi. Next on the list is the Triber. The company recently updated the compact MPV to model year 2021 in the market. The new model comes with a host of changes and retails at a starting price of Rs 5.30 lakh, while the top spec model of the Triber costs Rs 7.82 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. Company recently launched a compact SUV called the Kiger. It is one of the most affordable compact SUV currently on sale in the Indian market. Prices of the Renault Kiger starts at Rs 5.45 lakh, while the top spec RXZ Xtronic CVT variant retails at Rs 9.55 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom India. The brand's flagship offering in the Indian market, the Duster, is offered in two petrol engine options. The SUV is offered with a 1.3-litre turbo petrol engine that produces 154 bhp at 5,500 rpm and a peak torque of 254 Nm at 1,600 rpm. The Duster retails between Rs 9.57 lakh and Rs 13.87 lakh ex-showroom Delhi.